to learn yourself. Today we are going to study about some of the catalytic reactions, and this topic are from ICSE Standard 8 syllabus. Earlier we have seen the number of types of reaction like combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement or double decomposition reaction. Here we are going to study about catalytic reaction. Now what is the meaning of catalytic reaction? In reaction where we are using a catalyst, that reactions are known as catalytic reaction. Now what is the function of catalyst? It alters the rate of reaction. So there are two types of catalyst, positive catalyst and negative catalyst. Positive catalyst will accelerate the rate of reaction. It will give speed to reaction. That means in usual time, how much ever the products we are getting, it will accelerate the reaction, the rate of reaction. So in smaller period of time, we will get more yield. That is the function of catalyst, and that is positive catalyst. Negative catalyst will decrease the rate of reaction. Sometimes what happens when reactants are very reactive, very speedily they will react with each other, but sometimes they will liberate so much amount of energy, or there are some side effect of that speed. So at that time we have to lower down the rate of reaction. We have to slow down the rate of reaction. At that point of time we need to use negative catalyst. So it will decrease the rate of reaction. So here let us discuss some of the example, and in this example we need to remember that what all catalyst we have used in this. When H2O2 hydrogen peroxide we are taking in presence of MnO2, that is manganese dioxide, we will get water and oxygen gas. Then sulfur dioxide, when reacting with oxygen, we are taking as a catalyst V2O5. This is vanadium pentoxide at the temperature 450 degrees Celsius. So we will get sulfur trioxide. When nitrogen is reacting with hydrogen in presence of iron and molybdenum, then rate of reaction will increase and at a temperature of 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. These two reactions are, here we have seen the reversible reaction, and these two reactions we can also mention in reversible reaction. Also we can mention them in catalytic reaction. So here we will get ammonia. When ammonia is reacting with oxygen in presence of platinum at 700 to 800 degrees Celsius, we will get NO, that is nitric oxide, and water molecule. So these are some of the example of catalytic reaction. Now one important point to discuss in this is enzymes. Enzymes are also working as a catalyst in our body. That there are two examples of that pepsin is an enzyme which secrete in our stomach, and it will accelerate the conversion of protein into amino acid. So this conversion happens, and it will happen at a faster rate with help of pepsin. So pepsin is an enzyme which gives a catalytic effect to this reaction, to this conversion. So this can be asked in fill in the blanks. Then lipase is another example of enzyme which secretes in pancreas, and it will help us in breaking down of starch and fats. So these two you need to remember. One is pepsin and second one is lipase. So these reactions are very easy to understand, and they are scoring. This reaction may come in an exam in fill in the blank or to complete the reaction, or they simply just ask that give an example of one catalytic reaction, or they can also ask like give an example of catalytic reaction where manganese dioxide is used. So you have to remember the complete reaction along with its catalyst.